Hi everyone and welcome to today's morning report on Monday the 3rd of November with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. These European financial markets are a little bit under caution today. They're not moving particularly positively. Been held back certainly by the Asian trading session, which was hampered by the Chinese PMI data that you had the HSBC flash PMI manufacturing data which confirmed at 50.4, but also the services PMI or the non-manufacturing PMI that came out slightly negatively as well. There's missed expectations there, so put a bit of pressure on the Asian trading session, and that's filtered through into these European markets today. Also, what has also not helped the European trading session has been the European PMIs as well. The Italian numbers came in with a big miss, but also put the Italian PMI back into contraction mode at 49. France actually beat expectations but still remains in contraction territory. Also Germany slightly missed. The only really positive number that came out was from Spain, which continues to which had a slight beat of expectations and continues to improve. Now the Eurozone flash PMI, the Eurozone PMI data also just came in slightly down at 50.6. The bright spark, I suppose, from the European session point of view would be the UK PMI, which has actually slightly improved. Arrested a decline of 3 months in a row. This chart hasn't actually shown it on there yet, annoyingly, but 53.2 is the number that we've had this month, and that certainly has helped to bolster sterling in the last few hours, and it looks like it's going to be reacting positively, because to be honest, across the board the dollar is fairly strong on a lot of these currencies, and it's starting to look fairly positive on pretty much across all the majors, apart from the sterling that we've seen because of this UK PMI data. You've got the US manufacturing PMI at 3 o'clock, the ISM number. 56.2 is the expectation there, but if you look at, as I said, at this dollar, which continues to remain strong, look at that. It's trading positively against the euro, but significantly positively against the yen today. So that is certainly what we've seen in early trading today. That sort of takes me on to my chart of the day, which is the Aussie dollar, and that the Aussie dollar is another currency that the greenback is trading very strongly against, and the Aussie dollar has been under pressure today after the data came out this morning from the building approvals, which was sharply lower. Certainly put pressure on the Aussie dollar, and that, as you can see on this intraday hourly chart, has now just generated a bit of resistance that comes in at 87.60, and once again it looks like that the Aussie dollar is beginning to back away from that resistance again. Looking at these momentum indicators on the hourly chart, you can see that there is a negative configuration, and it looks like pressure is growing to the downside. The general basis of the Aussie dollar is fairly flat, though. It's still holding on to this big sort of 6-week trading band that it's been in. It's not really putting too much downside pressure, although today certainly it started to look towards the bottom of this range. But whether it's actually going to break through the bottom or not, I don't know yet. But certainly looks like we might be growing for a bit of pressure to the downside. 87 is today's traded low, 87 figure, and 86.41 is the range low. So it could be coming back towards there, but maybe it's an idea to possibly use any rallies as a chance to sell within this range now, because looking at these momentum indicators, it's just rolling over on the RSI from around 50. Also the MACD line's losing upside momentum as well. Stochastics just also beginning to turn lower. So it looks like any rallies could well be seen as a chance to sell on the Aussie dollar now, but I would still treat this as a trading range, because I don't necessarily think we're going to break through the lows imminently, and I think that would be what we're seeing now. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.